Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron using a hair dryer. First, gather your wrinkled clothes and your hair dryer. It's important to make sure the garment is slightly damp. This helps relax the fibers. Then, lay the item flat on a clean, heat-resistant surface like a bed or a table. This preparation ensures you get the best possible results. Now, hold your hair dryer about 1 to 2 inches away from the fabric. Select a medium to high heat setting, depending on your fabric type. As you apply the heat, use your free hand to gently smooth out the wrinkles. Work in small sections, moving the dryer steadily to avoid overheating any one spot. This technique helps to effectively release the creases. Keep drying the garment until it is completely dry to the touch. For areas like collars and cuffs, take a little extra time to ensure they are crisp and smooth. Once your item is wrinkle-free, hang it up immediately. This simple step prevents new wrinkles from forming and helps maintain that freshly ironed look. You'll be amazed at the results. This hair dryer method is particularly effective for lighter fabrics such as cotton or linen. However, be cautious and avoid using it on very delicate materials like silk or rayon, as excessive heat can cause damage. For those quick touch-ups, it's a fantastic alternative to a traditional iron. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the link in the description for Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.